get one more certified PMP, and he cleared PMP in his time. I can see at background the beautiful mind map, the entire mind map, the booklet, and Sarfraz, you are on the screen now. Sarfraz,
Yes,
you joined from two places. Let me remove you from one. Can you hear me?
yes, sir. I can.
One more, like Sarfraz gave me surprise. I didn't know about that thing. Sarfraz, first of all, congratulations. And starting from when we met in Dubai at Philly, and you got the book and booklet, and now with the PMP in less than a month. I wanted to share a few things here about Sarfraz. Sarfraz joined my batch program in the month of March, right, Sarfraz?
Yes, sir.
And he had many challenges along the way. Like when he joined the program, he was going for Umrah. You are going for Umrah, right? If
Yes,
I'm,
sir.
yeah, he was going on a religious trip and things of those nature. He was going there and busy, busy, busy. Finally, when I went to Dubai, he, he had a discussion, and we went to a long discussion at Philly. We had that on a very busy day. On a very busy day, we had a long discussion, and I gave him book and booklet. And I wanted to share something with you. His consistency after that. Here is where is Sarfraz? Okay. You see, I saved with the name. He shared here. I wanted to surprise PMP. Now, just look at his consistency. If I can show all the consistency to you before that and after that consistency. This is 27th of October, right? He's the student. He's getting updates, but he was busy somewhere, right? From here, he sent them audio. Now he's getting back the content. Still not, but here, sir, I have now he's working. From November, he actually started working on it. Consistency. I gave him the soft copy. He started reading it, right? And then he said, "Can I get the hard copy?" We started working. I told him, "You don't have to buy it. I am coming to Dubai. I'll give it to you by hand." Okay. I told him I will be in Dubai. Then okay, he came there on 4th of December. I gave him the book. We are discussing where are you? And now here he started doing simulator. People mock, doing the mocks. And I'm asking RCA, RCA. I'm telling him the mocks. Every single day, almost every single day from there on, he studied hard every single day. He's asking, okay, sir, I'm confused in this videos. Like, for example, sir, I need links of video. I said, what link? He told me conflict management is creating a challenge. And then he's working on random mocks, 68%. Then he did the first mock. And you see, I'm a very blunt guy. I don't motivate you. I put it, we need how was time management. Then we worked into that. He did RCA. Then he did the next mock, right? Surprise of yelling helps, right? So he 76% score, right? I told him skip 3, 4, mock 4 was it was good. Okay, I told him mock 5 now. He did mock 5. Mock 5 was not very good. I asked him RCA. He told me. Then we worked. I told him after the. I gave him that Udemy Agile mock. This is that mock which I keep on referring with. Right. This is the Agile mock. 100% only Agile mock. He did that. Right. He got 58% score, and I have a very. I cannot tell the audio that is between me and Sarfraz that this is not a good score. 58%. He did detail RCA, then we did more mock, and today he is a certified PMP. Straightforward. On Monday he did it, yeah, and he cleared the exam. This is his journey in a quickest possible way, right? What I gave it. Now, Sarfraz, you share it, and thank you very much for the surprise. Thank you very much for the beautiful surprise. Please share your journey.
Actually, sir, I was planning to give this surprise on first, but I thought all are wishing you for the PMPs of 2024. So I kept it. In the meantime, one more student came up, but I just kept going. But I was trying to make you a little bit annoyed here because answering wrong questions.
He's answering. He's in the coaching call, guys. Just to put in the context, if you scroll up, he's answering question answers, and most of the question he answered wrong. So yeah, please.
So I wanted to just get you make a little bit of uncomfortable to that, so that You will, but you started uncomfortable, and the time was also getting over. So I just kept it, and that's how it was. I cleared it, alhamdulillah. It
Okay.
was a
How was the
it,
exam?
it was a moderate exam. It was fully of agile topic, all the three sections. This was a moderate exam.
Moderate exam. That mock of that agile mock I gave you, that mock number two, was it important?
Yes, the rate is very important. All the mocks, especially random and all this, they are covering a lot of questions which you cannot see on any other platforms. That is the most important thing. And it is also getting updated. That is also most important. It is
Mm,
not that questions are there every time you are updating these mocks. That is going to help a lot.
that is,
So
yeah.
that is a great help. Nobody can understand that.
Hmm. Continuous stuff, and that is very important actually, because you never know. I'm getting you update here. I need to know that you are doing question answer, and yes, that is actually that is one of the most important thing. You need to update your question, otherwise your questions will be irrelevant. Okay, how did you manage time?
My standard time management, if you're asking me, when I was giving this regular mocks,
Hmm,
which was having 180 mocks with a timer, I
hmm.
used to start, and this timer is not paused in this in the mocks.
I made it that way.
So
I made it that
I
way.
made it that way. So
Yeah.
when I have to go to Salah, I was going to the break. Actually, that was exceeding more than 10 minutes or 20 minutes.
Okay, of course, of
So
course.
when I was coming back, I was having a challenge to complete the last section, last 60 questions.
Okay.
So that challenge, in that phase, I was getting prepared to answer the questions.
Hmm,
Sometimes I was getting short of 5 questions or 10 questions. But in the exam, when this came in the last section, I was remaining with around 49 minutes.
hmm,
But I never panicked there
hmm,
because I was got used to that environment. So I was able to complete them.
hmm.
That helped me.
Okay. And how many drags and drop were in the exam?
So totally there were 11 drag and drops.
11 drag and drop.
Yeah.
Okay.
First section there was one diagram and drop. Second section there was five and five. Third section there were five.
Okay. 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 That is an important thing. Okay. What other things were there in the exam that was highly in the exam?
What I would say here from my experience is that instead of calling them drag and drop, we should name them as drag disturbers, because you or anyone who is going through the exam flow answering each question is focused, but when these pictorial or drag and drops come, suddenly the mind switches in other direction. So what I was doing, I had just maintained a strategy, mark this question and attend at the last, because in this way we continue to keep the our pace of answering the questions. And
Mm,
when I was coming back, I was able to give time to them, or else we get lost there and it again get back to the mode of answering the normal questions was taking time. So I
mm,
marked all of them and answered them in the last.
mm, mm. You took breaks there also in the exam?
Yeah, I took proper breaks, 10 minutes break every time,
Mm.
and that also helped me.
That also helped you. That is another important thing that I want to say. And I loved it exactly what Komal said. One is greater than zero. Can you put some light on that? That is, guys, for those who don't know, normally I wear today. My wife hasn't watched that, so today normally I wear the shirt that has written one is greater than zero. That is my mantra. Can you put in your words what does one greater than zero means for you?
Sir, anything, even a single minute or a few seconds you are going to give for this exam each day will definitely going to build some value and some result to you instead of not attending it. So anything, anytime, maybe 5 minutes or 2 minutes, whatever it is, definitely it is going to give a lot of value.
Hmm. That is a very important thing. Like what I believe is that never stop. Daily put some time. Daily put
Yes,
some time. One step, the next step. One step, the next step. Keep moving forward.
yes.
Okay. So putting the few things in that. Now you took the training in an entirely different way. mostly like you are in this coaching call, sometime I have to push you. You really attended the coaching call. The follow-up was there, I was not leaving you. Like he told me his children shared with him, your teacher is here in Dubai, right? What was that, Sir Prasad? Can you put the light again?
No, my son always used to tell Amir Ali, your PMP teacher. He is here in Dubai. I wanted to bring him, but you moved in the day to Saudi.
Yeah.
But the most important thing was as usual, you were telling that co-location, and every time, any at least in a project, once there should be co-location meeting the team sees together. That meeting really helped because when I could meet the mentor, I did change a lot of things. Especially your book you gave me, I read all the book. It was a good book, really. It helped me. Uh, I read it after a long time. I read this, uh, and I read each page of it, and also the booklet you gave me, and it was good. And you signed the book. That was most important thing, that you signed the book with the signature, and it was always motivating me.
Be
Uh,
great PMP, and I'm happy you are PMP. That is the value of my book, that you become PMP, and I'm happy that you read it. Now this is a very important thing. That is called one of the most important thing. He said me, I want to read book. There, why I wrote book? There are 1% people or 2% people who wants to read them, right? For them, you must, there must be, otherwise he cannot do. Like he said, sir, watching the videos I get sleepy, I don't learn, but book I can get it. Okay, so that is what is the most important thing, sir, on emotional intelligence, self-awareness. And that's what Sir Prasad did. He has that beautiful self-awareness and worked into that. Sir Prasad, what would be your advice to everyone, how they should prepare?
Sir, if anyone is very busy, they can definitely listen to your master series, especially Agile. It is very important because it is covering all the topics. No video is covering, I think, on the currently on the YouTube, because it is free, and it is really helpful. Just listen to it. Listen to it. It is everything. It is going to be a great help if every day, if they are listening one part of the master series, it is going to help a lot to anybody.
It is going to help them a lot. And reply me, that also helps a lot. That is a very when you start replying, you became PMP, right? That's a very
Yeah.
important thing. My students, congratulations, Sarfraz. Rafat is saying, Musarat is saying, Mubarak, Komal is saying, nice logo, congratulations. Okay, so Sen is asking, guys. Now you ask question from Kirti. Go ahead, ask him question. A different. She gave exam in India. He gave exam in UAE. Both are Indians. Interestingly, today 2 PMP on the first Indians. Tomorrow 2 PMP will do inshallah. Both are, all four will be Indians. Okay, so uh, whatever the questions you have put it. Okay, how important, like how difficult the exam was comparing to 180 mocks, the last mocks you did, and how difficult it was to do elimination.
Sir, if you are asking, Agile was completely because it is covering all our random mocks and 180 mocks. If we are doing detailed RCA of that, we are fit enough and good enough to go to the exam.
Hmm,
It is like covering most of the topics of this thing,
hmm.
and elimination techniques. They are very close. If we have a strong hold on this topic, we know better. It is easy to eliminate because I was not understanding, because I was knowing the topic. I was feeling it easy that these options are easily eliminated, and that's how I was selecting the correct answer.
That's why how you are feeling it. Okay, your motivation, your our motivation. Okay, congratulations. Is this somebody from your family? You are our motivation upwards. Congratulations, congratulations. Okay, so Farsa, now I'm gonna ask you one thing and very important, and that is what I asked Kirti, and that is what I'm gonna ask you, being the first PMP of 2025. Your scenario is entirely different. Those people who joined my pair because of any XYZ reason, they are not replying me. Because of any XYZ reason, they are busy, they are ashamed, whatever the reason. I want you to motivate at least your batch 3 group. Message in it some good motivation that if I can do it, you can do it. Because you used all the resources. I can see the beautiful mind map. is behind you. Did that mind map help or not?
Yes, sir. That is full of PMP because every time I cannot take single page. I have booklet also, but when I was seeing walking around after taking food, I was always seeing that map. It is a big help,
Uh,
and
So now I want you to go back. Thank you, Saddam. Go back and help other people how we can do that, because each one teach one mantra is the most important thing. How we guide each other, how we work into that, and how we move along the way. Thank you, Sarfraz Saab, for such a beautiful surprise, and I'm proud to coach you. And yes, co-location is always important. Thank you, sir. Thank you very
I thank the supporting teams, sir, especially Mr. Venkat and so those who are answering the questions on the group. It
much.
was really helpful. Also, my batchmates. Thank you. I wish you all the good luck.
Thank you, Sarfraz Saab. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. Bye-bye. So, two PMPs, two success journey in this coaching call. I have never done this before. This is the first time. This is the first time that I recorded two success journeys, and that was great. This okay. Amir mentioned that you are a busy professional. So, first up, if you can answer this question, you are still here. Amir mentioned that you are a busy professional. How many days one should dedicate? What do you think? Now, uh, how much time you can do?
I think 2 hours is a very good time, sir.
Hmm.
Each day, 2 hours is a very good time. If anyone can dedicate, can easily clear PMP. They should have confidence, not to lose confidence that I can face the exam, I can do it.
Hmm.
Believe in themselves.
Believe in themselves and continuously moving towards that direction. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much, Sarfraz Saab. Thank you, Komal, for asking the question. Guys, let's keep moving forward. Please book your time for PMP marathon. We will have PMP marathon on this Saturday. If you haven't registered as of now, send me an email. The team has already sent the email to everybody who mailed us till last night. For all those who will do that, we will send the email tomorrow, and after that, we will not send any email. This is a last registration call for you. Do that, and I'll see you at the top. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum, namaste, sasriyakal, and love this coaching call. Bye bye, Sarfraz Saab, and everyone else.
I would have not been able to clear the exam if Amer Ali would have not been there. I would have not been.
I did not believe that I would be able to clear my PMP within a month.
I don't know what to say actually. Like I'm kind of like really
And I
trembling.
got my results and I was above target in all three categories.
Wow.